Tired of feeling like your property taxes are draining your bank account? The good news is, filing for homestead exemption in Georgia can significantly reduce your property tax burden. And in this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to do it in under 2 minutes. First things first, homestead exemption is a tax break offered to homeowners who occupy a property as their primary residence. This means it's where you live and where you intend to stay. Eligibility requirements vary slightly by county, but generally you'll need to own and occupy the property as of January 1st of the year you're applying. Secondly, you must complete an application form. You can usually find this on your county tax commissioner's website. Search your county name, Georgia Tax Commissioner online, download. Print and fill out the application form completely and accurately. Be prepared to provide information like your name, property address, social security number, and date of birth. Third, gather your supporting documents along with the application. You'll typically need proof of residency, such as a Georgia driver's license or state ID showing your property address, and your social security card. Some counties will also want proof of ownership like a warranty deed. Finally, submit your application. Check your county's preferred submission method. Some allow online submissions, while others require you to mail it in or drop it off in person at the tax commissioner's office. The deadline is typically April 1st. And that's it. Once your application is approved, you'll start seeing the tax savings reflected on your property tax bill. Filing for homestead exemption can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. Why pay more than you have to? Make sure you take advantage of the tax benefits available to Georgia homeowners.